Rangemaster cookers, big seller for us. These are British made, they're actually made in Lemington Spa. They're manufactured in the factory. The steel comes in, it's pressed into shape, it's painted, it's assembled. It truly is a British built product. This product is 110 centimetres wide, and on the 110 centimetres you tend to get 2 large ovens. There are different configurations, but this one has a fan assisted oven and a multifunction oven. So it has a grill in there, top and bottom heat. Little feature which is quite traditional on the Rangemasters is the door trivet. So if you're doing some beef or something, it's there to be basted. But of course, that can be removed and you can just use the oven as a normal oven. Key features with Ranges, they come in different fuel types. The most common at the moment is dual fuel, which means that you get a gas top and then electric ovens underneath, an electric grill, and on some product the bottom drawer will either be a proving drawer or a warming drawer. This is all dependent on the products that you buy. A huge range of colours, a superb product, definitely worth coming in to have a look.